Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce page redirects with Yoast, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start reducing page redirects using Yoast, first, log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Yoast SEO plugin on the left-hand side. Click on Redirects from the Yoast SEO menu. If you haven't set up redirects yet, you'll see a prompt to do so. Select the type of redirect you need to create. For changing URLs, use the 301 Move Permanently option. Enter the old URL in the provided field. In the next field, input the new URL where you want to redirect traffic. Hit the Add Redirect button once you've filled in both fields. Check for any existing redirects that may be unnecessary. Review the list of redirects to ensure they are still relevant. Consider removing any redirects that point to pages that no longer exist. After making changes, update your site's permalink settings if necessary. Use the Test Redirect feature to ensure that everything is functioning correctly. To minimize load times, aim to reduce the number of redirects overall. Finally, regularly monitor your redirects for any outdated links. By streamlining your redirects, you can enhance user experience and improve SEO rankings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.